W Power project funded by the Northern Periphery and Artic program, presenting the innovation platform. Are you looking for new business ideas? Would you like to find SMEs that are looking to grow globally in your region? Or perhaps you would like to hear about new innovative ideas on how to support female entrepreneurship. Are you wondering how to organize a business idea competition to uplift entrepreneurship and innovations? Stay tuned for our advice. The W Power Business Idea Competition format is a tested method for the process based on the draft program registered trademark developed at Karelia University of Applied Sciences. Where to start? Define the type of contest and set a budget, define prices. Determine the goals and requirements. Decide the focus and the categories for the competition. Plan a schedule and resources, limit time carefully. Define a time to run a contest and decide on the important dates. Create a marketing plan to support the communications and to ensure the visibility throughout the process. Keep in mind to create profound rules and include them in your contest terms and conditions. Offer all the important information on your official event website. The easier it is to reach, the higher quality entries you will get. Select the members for the first stage selection panel and to the final competition. Create judging criteria and fair judgment mechanics. Decide how many pre-selected ideas will be invited to pitch their idea to the judges. Choose the venue or online platform for the pitching contests. Give instructions for the pre-selected finalists before pitching. Run the actual pitching competition and select the winners on the basis of the judges' numerical evaluations. Make an official announcement of the winners. After the contest, you have several ways to support the winners. Offer a possibility to peer learning, organize a coaching program, provide individual business support, hand out templates and guidance for business planning, budgeting, and so on. Offer visibility on your website and social media channels, and introduce different networks to support the idea to successful business. Here are the links where you can search and find more information on the W Power project.